Hey guys, welcome back. If you are looking for the best refrigerator water filters, here is a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. To know more about these products, please be sure to check out the description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. EveryDrop Refrigerator Water Filter. EveryDrop is one of the rare fridge water filters that is compatible with numerous major refrigerator brands. Its broad compatibility coupled with its ability to remove a wide range of contaminants makes it one of the best all-around options for purifying water from the fridge dispenser. This filter goes beyond improving taste and sifting out chlorine. It has undergone testing for NSF 42, 53, and 401 standards, and also removes various chemicals, including pharmaceuticals, lead, pesticides, mercury, and a whole host of other contaminants. Compatible with a wide range of bottom freezer and side-by-side fridges by Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Jenn-Air, Maytag, and Amana. EveryDrop is not the cheapest filter on the market, but it's also not the most expensive. While running the recommended 4 gallons of water through it prior to use is a tedious process, installation is easy. Simply insert the new filter into the filter compartment and lock it in by closing the compartment door. Number 2. Frigidaire ULTRAWF Pure Source Ultra Water Filter. This water filter removes contaminants ranging from heavy metals to pesticides, which makes it an attractive option for those who are serious about having clean drinking water. While it is pricier than other filters on the market, you do get what you pay for. This carbon-based water filter is NSF ANSI 42, 53, and 401, meaning it does more than just make the water taste better. It will also remove lead, nitrates, pesticides, and mercury, making the drinking water healthier as well. Installing the Frigidaire filter is easy. Open the cartridge holder on the upper rear of the fridge, take out the old one, pop in the new one, and close the cover. Flush the filter before use by running water through it for 3 minutes. Once installed. Pros. Effective filters can remove heavy metals and pesticides. Provides healthier drinking water. Cons. Water can be cloudy when the filter is first installed. Number 3. Waterdrop Advanced WDF07. This filter is tested and proven to remove 96 to 99% of contaminants, including chlorine, lead, cyst, benzene, and carbofuran. They can last up to 6 months, or 300 gallons of water. Assurity and certifications. These filters carry NSF 42, 53, and 372 certifications, so you should get good tasting, clear water that is largely free of most harmful metal contaminants, herbicides, and parasites. They don't carry NSF 401 for reducing drug compounds, but for that you can try their Pro version. They have additional WQA Gold Star and UPC ratings. Installation and maintenance. Waterdrop filters have an easy twist and lock design mechanism, and clear installation instructions are provided. You need to run water through the system for at least 3 minutes to flush out residue, and the normal flow rate should return after 24 to 36 hours. People are by and large happy with these filters, and there are minimal reports of leaks. Number 4. Pureline Refrigerator Water Filter Replacement. Kenmore and Samsung refrigerator owners who are reluctant to spend big money to change out the old water filter can save a bundle on this 3-pack from Pureline. Each filter is less than a third of the cost of other water filters, making this pack an attractive, affordable way to keep the fridge water clean. The Pureline filter uses 3 stages, including a coconut carbon filter block, to improve taste while reducing chlorine and filtering out sediment and large metals. Each Pureline filter will treat about 300 gallons of water before wearing out. This cartridge-style filter installs in minutes in the fridge's cartridge holder. Pro's 3-stage filtration removes several impurities and contaminants from water. Fast flow suitable for heavy use by large families. Much cheaper than name brands. Great for frequent replacement. Cons. Certain fridge models may not recognize the installation. Number 5. Waterdrop WDF32. Water filter for LG. It's hard to find a better deal in water filters for LG owners than this 3-pack from Waterdrop, which costs just a fraction of other filters. What's even nicer is that these filters are just as effective. This model boasts NSF 42 and 372 certifications and will remove chlorine, copper, mercury, and cadmium, chromium, and volatile organic compounds. Waterdrop's coconut carbon block filter effectively removes particles while improving taste. Each filter will treat about 200 gallons of water, putting its lifespan on par with that of comparable models. This product will fit most LG model refrigerators and many Kenmore refrigerators as well. Pros fits most LG refrigerators as well as several Kenmore models. Slim design is easy to install and less bulky than other options, particularly effective at reducing taste and smell of chlorine. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.